For our second sprint of HCDE 210, Tressa Coulthard and Evan Barnard tackled the usability of the microwave, the most used appliance in a college student's apartment.
Our microwave was an over-the-range microwave sitting in the cabinets over the stove in my apartment. The microwave has been well-loved white plastic, dingy, and still in working condition. Our usability test included 3 tasks for each user. Microwave a mug, use while stove is in use by someone else, and defrost a steak. These tasks were designed to be able to test the full functionality of the microwave, including the placement and its extra features. For each task, we collected 3 types of data: easiness, emotion, and design. The data we collected reflected on what our end goal was to see how easy it was to use the microwave. To figure that out, we had each user measure the level of ease on a scale of 1 to 5, think aloud while using the microwave, counted the number of frowns, and asked some questions on the design of the microwave.
Julie was our first user and our shortest. Her test would reveal drawbacks of an overhead microwave. However, that was not the case. Julie found the microwave easy to use, completing the task efficiently. She had to reach to use the microwave, but the only drawback she saw was the defrosting option that only allowed it to set the time by weight.
Joe was our control. Of an average height, he could show how most people could use an over-the-range microwave. Joe did not like the placement of the microwave. The placement of the microwave above the stove proved difficult to use when the stove was also in use by another person. He also had trouble using it to defrost a steak, frustrated over how to set the time. Joe also did not like the design. The buttons were too close together and the placement of the microwave frustrated him.
TJ was the tall one. He was able to illustrate how to use the microwave as someone of the taller the population would. TJ overall liked the microwave. He found it easy to use and liked how it was above the stove. The defrosting option was difficult, but he eventually figured it out. The only thing he had to complain about was the design of the buttons. He thought they should be color coordinated based on their function.
The biggest concern was defrosting. All 3 participants found this to be the most difficult of the 3 tasks. This was probably due to the weight-only option of setting the defrost time. They found it mostly easy to navigate, but some found the placement over the stove was a little annoying. They all agreed the microwave was boring and kind of ugly.
The overall design was cold, plastic, and cheap. For a better UI, the microwave needed to be inviting to actually make the user want to use it. The defrost option also needed to be better. It was difficult to use and needed to be redesigned. If we were able to repeat this usability test, we would try to vary the tasks a little more, making them more complex and difficult. The height also did not seem to affect usability, so we would like to take that out as a variable. However, time needed to be added as a variable to measure how quickly the user was able to interact with the microwave.